You start with take any card and just turn it face up on top of the deck, and then you just do a double leaf. Okay, so turn the card face up and just do double leaf, and you just hold like this with a break right here, and then you take the card, okay, these two cards with this grip. Okay, it's look like you make a horn but in reverse, and you just clip this card like this. So you clip this card with your pinky and your point finger, and the rest is put on the back, and you just touch the top of this card with your thumb. Okay, so this is the grip, and the move is you just flip this card, okay, with your thumb like this. Okay, so here you just clip and just simply flick. Okay, just flick like this. Okay, so this two finger as a holder and your thumb as a flicker, and the rest just to make the card balance. So here just do this. Okay, and the timing when you do this is when you come. Okay, when you come at the same time you just flip like this, so your other hand just grab this card. Okay, I do it with the deck so here. Okay, so you grip when you come. Okay, come and just do like this, and just you let go for a moment, and you come back, clip again like this. Okay, so here like this. Okay, so one time, yeah, take any card, turn face up, do double leaf, come, clip. Okay, so you come and just do the move. Okay, after that you just let go and come back, clip again. Okay, you just hold still like this, and you just move the deck like this. Okay, it's like you prove that's nothing on the deck, and then you just drop. Okay, and you clean. Okay, so one time, remember, take one card, turn face up, just do double leaf, come. Okay, remember when you and just do the chain. Okay, you can touch this card. Okay, grip again and turn your deck like this, and you just put the card, and you can show the card cleanly. And if you want it, after you do the chain, okay, after you do the chain, and you just tap, and you can grab like this, but don't move the card. Okay, or just do this. Okay, because it's too many move. You just grab and just tilt your deck. After that you just put it on top. Okay, so one more time, here, come. Okay, touch and do like this, put it on top, and then you pick the top card and you end clean. If you perform this on real life, of course, you can hand out this final card to your audience for examination.